A service employee at a dealership spotted 4 suspicious individuals on the surveillance camera. The employee then began dialing 911 to report the incident. When the police arrived, they were unaware that one of their own vehicles was among those stolen. The officers immediately initiated a pursuit. What followed was a comprehensive police operation to apprehend the suspects.
That black Porsche is far ahead of me. Right. Black Porsche, far ahead of you.
Don't fucking move! You hear me? Don't you fucking move! Don't move! Don't fucking move! You fucking move your gun! Stop! Listen to me! Roll onto your stomach! Roll onto your stomach! Hey! Keep your fucking hands up! Don't fucking move! You understand? Don't fucking move! Hey, this guy. You're gonna need a fucking day! Don't move!
I need to hold the second unit out of the car. Ran westbound on
36.
Them now in custody. Somebody remember the entrapment. Central 136, can you please send a paramedic to our location? We have one suspect entrapped in the vehicle.
One subject trapped in the vehicle, so far.
This is the victim? Yeah. There we go. Yes. Who else? Was anyone else with you in the squad? Yes. Someone was in the squad with you?
Yes.
Isn't the one showing up now?
Yes, I ain't have the wood.
We got one still large, sounds like.
You know the woods. You know the woods on there.
Put it that way.
Oh, that way.
You want to show him?
Yeah. You think that's
In the end, the police successfully arrested all 4 criminals.